चलो टाइम देखो एक बार कितना हुआ एक बार माइक का यूज करना नहीं ठीक है चलो
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the highly anticipated event AI Unleashed, Unlocking Investment Potential with BullBear AI. I'm Colleen Kaur, your host for today, and I'm really delighted to be here with you all today. Today we have gathered here to dive into the fascinating world of AI and how it's shaping the way we invest. Get ready for an eye-opening experience as we unfold chapters of knowledge and innovation. But before we dive into our heart of today's event, let's give a huge round of applause for our today's host, Mr. Dhruv. He will be walking us through our today's agenda along with amazing experiences.
Hello everyone. Thank you, Colleen, for such a warm introduction. I am Dhruv, your host for today, and welcome to the AI Unleashed by BullBear AI. Today here, we will unlock the potential and power of AI, which is taking over the human world, and it has a lot of potential in it, which can open a new gates for the future in finance and investment. So, let me quickly introduce myself. I am Dhruv, and I have been working in the Web3 industry for the past 3 years. And initially I started working with Poll Coverage, then Lumishare, now BullBear AI. And in BullBear AI, I am the role of advisor, in which I am advising them upon various marketing and business development strategies. So now I will, quickly share the agenda for today and how the event will go. I hope you all will definitely enjoy and love the amazing event with such an amazing audience. So we will open the session with our expert, CA Abhishek Maheshwari here. He will guide us the AI potential in finance and investment and what future does AI has in the world of finance and how we can take benefit from such an amazing upcoming technology. Then I will host a session sharing all about the BullBear AI, what products we have, and what is the future for BullBear AI. And the most exciting round that will be a quiz. We will pick the 5 best winners from the quiz round. So be attentive and pay some attention. Now I invite CA Abhishek Maheshwari on the stage for the welcome.
so much, Dhruv, for walking us through with today's agenda. I'm super excited for our journey today. So now let's welcome Akshit on the stage to share his views.
So, very cheerful good afternoon to all present. Today, I, Akshit Maheshwari, I will be briefing you all about the benefits of artificial intelligence in the field of finance and investment. So, before we begin with the main thing, first of all, what is actually artificial intelligence? We have heard this name quite a lot. Artificial intelligence is not a newcomer. It's not a new term nowadays. Everybody has somehow used or listened to this term one way or the other. Now, artificial intelligence in finance, basically it is the use of technology like machine learning and that mimics human intelligence and decision making to enhance how financial institutions analyze, manage and invest their money. Now, artificial intelligence, as we all know, saves lives. From robotic surgeries to nursing assistants and patient monitoring. Doctors even employ AI in their activities and all those surgeries and operations. Now, because AI is becoming increasingly prevalent across many industries, it's no wonder that it's off in the field of banking, and now, since after the COVID-19 fiasco that has transformed the human contact, AI has had a tremendous influence by simplifying and combining activities and processing data and information considerably quicker than human beings. Now, how does AI impact the finance industry? AI is a large driving force, my dear friends, for how financial organizations conduct risk management, which includes risk security, regulatory compliances, anti-money laundering, and so much more. With AI as part of its infrastructure, banks, investment firms and insurance companies can use it to perform real-time calculations to forecast performance, detect anomalies or maintain compliance, among a plethora of other things. Now, let us talk about the role of AI in finance sector in different fields. First of all, taking up personal finance. Consumers crave financial freedom, as we all do the same, and the capacity to control one's financial wealth is pushing the use of AI in personal finance. Whether it's providing 24/7 financial advice through chatbots driven by linguistics or wealth management products, AI is a must-have for every financial institution wanting to be a market leader. For example, Capital One's ENO is one of the most prominent examples used in personal finance. ENO was the very first language of choice SMS text-based companion delivered by a US bank when it was launched in 2017. ENO collects information and anticipates consumer demands with over 12 proactive features such as informing customers about potential fraud. Now think of it as if this such kind of an application is there in India, how many financial frauds it can prevent. Now talking about artificial intelligence in consumer finance. Among the most important business cases for artificial intelligence, it is its capacity to identify and prevent frauds and breaches in consumer finance. Consumers seek out banks and insurance companies that offer safe accounts. Now, for example, JP Morgan Chase is such bank that is utilizing AI in consumer finance. Consumer finance accounts for more than half of Chase's net earnings. As a result, the bank has established essential fraud detection applications for its account users. It uses a specialized algorithm for not only detecting fraud detection but also every time a payment is made, and if it is found suspicious, it is being reported to the consumer. Now, let's talk about artificial intelligence in corporate finance. My dear friends, AI is very useful in corporate finance since it can forecast and analyze loan risk more accurately. AI technologies such as machine learning can enhance loan screening and minimize financial risk for businesses trying to raise their valuation. AI can also help in reducing financial crime by detecting sophisticated fraud and detecting aberrant behavior as corporate accountant, researcher, and so much more. Now, let us talk about briefly the benefits that AI has in financial services. AI lets organizations accelerate and automate historically manual and time-consuming things such as market research. As we all know, when we humans do market research, it takes time, but AI helps in automating it and making it more quicker to give better results. AI can analyze large volumes of data to identify trends and help forecast future performance, letting investors chart investment growth and evaluate potential risk. AI can also evaluate how the personal data can be harvested by insurance companies and used to determine coverage and premiums. AI can also be used for cybersecurity purposes, specifically identifying fraudulent transactions. Now, have you ever heard that from the credit card of a company, many purchases are being made and it is all bogus? The customer does not know about it. Well, such fraud detection systems can be developed through AI by using machine learning, and that can evaluate the habits of a consumer and raise alarm if something suspicious appears in a credit card transaction. A person's portfolio or any chart trend, how the investment is being made, how the finances are being controlled, all these can be analyzed, accumulated, and transformed into a useful data by the use of AI. Talking about personal banking, chatbots and personal assistants have decreased the requirement to wait for a long line in customer support agent. Clients may now check their balance, arrange payments, look into account activity, ask any question with a virtual assistant, and get tailored banking advice whenever it is most appropriate. Nowadays, almost each and every bank have developed their own application in which such assistances are being provided to consumers, which earlier the consumer had to go to banks, stand in long lines to get their queries resolved. Now, customers want to know that their payment and personal information will be kept as safe as protected as possible. Now, this is where cybersecurity and ethical hacking comes into picture. Human mistake is thought to be responsible for 95% of the cloud breaches. However, with the help of AI, data security can be increased and the data of such consumers can be protected. Now, talking about how AI can help in making the underwriting choices. AI technologies are assisting in banks and lenders in making smarter underwriting judgments throughout the loan and credit card acceptance process. This is accomplished through the use of number of characteristics and machine learning that provide a more realistic image of individuals who may be traditionally undeserved. Now, artificial intelligence can also evaluate a customer's spending history and behaviors in order to forecast a loan borrowing behavior. This is especially significant in locations throughout the world where individuals have cell phones and other forms of connectivity and communication but lack traditional credit. AI can also automate repetitive mundane, time-consuming tasks such as reviewing documents or pulling information from applications, which will free up employees to tackle other projects. My dear friends, apart from so many other benefits which cannot be covered in the limited time, now let's talk about what are the challenges of AI in finance field. While most institutions believe AI and machine learning can improve how they do business and give them a competitive edge, some of machine learning projects don't even get launched due to various logistical and management issues. Beyond logistics, financial organizations also face many security and compliance regulations because of the sensitive and personal information they use every day. Any AI solution must be capable of protecting that data and abide by the industry and region-specific guidelines, since finance is a global concern and covers a large swath of companies. The sheer volume of data itself is a complex challenge. For any AI solution to work effectively, institutions must have all their data in orderly pipelines and silos, letting machine learning accurately predict and forecast markets according to specific business objectives. Now, this was all about the role of artificial intelligence in finance field. Now, let's talk about the role of AI in investment fields. Now, this is a no-brainer that AI has brought about a revolution in almost each and every field, as we know. So how come investment field can be left behind? Artificial intelligence is the program that has been developed and written in the investment field to be able to analyze, think, plan and make decisions by processing its big database. Moreover, AI can apply its preceded results according to each situation, such as chatbot that can respond to customers about products and services. While, my dear friends, ChatGPT is still the topic of intense discussion across industries, AI has already set out to do something new. Nowadays, we have any query or we have any question, we straight away go to ChatGPT and get its solution. Similarly, AI has been able to enhance all such answered learning which was earlier not available. Now the question arises, how can AI be helpful in investment? Now the first thing is, it is through analysis. A considerable amount of analysis goes into building a perfect investment strategy. From data to risk to even market sentiment, AI can analyze indicators of the market's movement. The ability to handle such large data gives AI that extra edge over human beings. Number second being predictive modeling. After AI analyzes a set of data, it can use this new set of information to generate the stock market predictions. This ranges from market trends to prices of various stocks to even the performance of key investment handlers. This helps investors identify potential AI investment opportunities. Next one being portfolio management. Now, AI investing also provides you with the added benefit of portfolio management options like optimize your spread of investment, optimize their proportions, and rebalance your investment as per the need arises. The next one being risk assessment. Various factors like macroeconomic indicators, a company's financial health, regulatory changes, and market volatility affect an investor's investments. AI can track, assess, and quantify them into comprehensible and measurable qualifiers. Investors can thus review and compare the risk to the rewards of their investment opportunities. Now, automation. As we all know, AI can run 24/7 at any time, at any day. So, AI can observe when market conditions match your investment strategy to work best. And at that moment, it can conduct fast, accurate, and effective transactions even if you are sleeping. Last one being customer-centric. AI investing keeps the customer first. Various tools like chatbots, virtual assistants, ChatGPT, and more help AI achieve. With this field, they can help the consumers in investing, providing more value for their investments. Now, let's talk about in investment field, what are the benefits that AI can provide to its users. The first one being reduction in operational cost. The investment process is fully equipped with intermediate operations. Though the entire process is quite digital, it still employs several human-based processing. It involves paperwork, due to which the operational cost earlier used to shoot high. But now, with the help of AI and RPA, it helps in reducing these logistics and operational costs. The next one being robotic process automation. Robotic process automation, also known as RPA, is basically a software that mimics the rules and tasks performed by humans. This helps the investment system to eliminate the human process of time-sensitive and error-prone work. How AI assists the manpower. AI and its technology assist the manpower employed in the network. This helps in making the entire investment process quite simple and easier. From gathering the customer's data from different contracts, forms, and other resources to calculating the interest rates and profit margins. My dear friends, AI has improved and assisted a lot of these processes. Now, AI technologies like robotic process automation, bots with improved handwriting recognition helps in preventing the false signery on documents. This feature has already transferred a variety of workflow to the machines which was previously handled by humans. As in our field also, we have seen that many a times forged documents or forged signatures are being made on such documents. So with the help of AI, these things can be prevented. AI helps in improving the customer experience and satisfaction. There are several ways in which this can be done. For example, chatbots and ChatGPT are the perfect example of these. Rather than waiting and using your time in finding solutions to so many of your problems, you can go use these artificial intelligence tools to get your problem solved in a jiffy. AI also helps in the automation of investing decisions. Some investing firms like Switzerland-based UBS have already employed their algorithmic trading systems. These smart systems help in making investment research and decisions. Now, you all must have heard about robo-advisors. Few financial companies have employed robo-advisors for their services. These advisors assist the customers with portfolio management and provide high-quality guidance to them while making decisions. Now, AI also helps in enhancing operational efficiency. Firms will continue to deploy AI and advanced automation to continuously improve the efficiency of their operations. Beyond this, firms can transform these traditional cost centers into AI-enabled as a service offerings. Customer experience is a new battleground nowadays, and AI is helping advisors to generate more insights, customize content more effectively, and deliver it to the clients with greater agility and speed, thus improving product and content distribution. Now, as we all know, AI helps in managing risk. AI is a game changer, my dear friends, for risk management. AI equips firms with the tools to bolster compliance and risk management functions, augment and automate data analysis, and anticipate and manage ambiguous events. Now, this was all about the benefits of artificial intelligence in investment field. Now, let's talk about the limitations of AI in investment. Now, the first one being high cost. The advanced and premium technologies of AI are quite expensive. Many organizations cannot afford them yet, especially the minor and small scale industry. Next one being risk to human employment. We all have heard this debate somehow or the other that AI, due to the introduction of AI, many employment jobs have been gone, have been taken up by AI. So, the way machines are learning, replacing manpower and humans, there is a vital risk to human employment. Even the renowned experts from different fields have the same issue with AI being taking up their place in big companies. The next one being complex algorithms. The AI employs complex machine learning programs and algorithms for decision making, which are extensively hard for common man or layman to even understand the process of it. The next one being lack of regulatory scrutiny. Now, this one is, I feel, is very important. There is a lack of regulatory scrutiny in AI. There is no law for it. Hence, there is no scrutiny or there is no regulatory compliance for it. The field lacks rules and regulations, thus increasing the risk of cybercrime. The technologies and machines may cause the risk to personal information of customers by data leak. Now, AI and its technologies, no doubt, they use the data of the individual to drive results. But somehow such data can be misused and that may result in colossal losses. My dear friends, the next thing being, in the combined thing, one we should not ignore is that AI cannot replace human judgment or human skepticism when it is most required. No doubt, artificial intelligence helps in enhancing the efficiency of decision making, but it can never be a substitute to human intelligence or human skepticism, because at the end of the day, we should not forget, we have built the AI, not the AI have built the humans. So with this, thank you for being such a lovely audience, and I hope you all will be able to use the artificial intelligence in the most effective way in the fields of finance and investment. Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much, Akshit, for sharing your knowledge and experience with us. Ladies and gentlemen, Akshit has made the complex AI concept feel like a breeze. Thank you, buddy, for sharing your knowledge with us. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Dhruv Gupta, our host and the driving force behind the BullBear AI, with an extensive background in this industry. He will be taking the stage to walk us through the fascinating world of BullBear AI. Huge round of applause for Dhruv.
Okay, hello everyone. Thank you so much Akshit Maheshwari for sharing his insights all about the AI in finance and what future AI has in finance and investment. Although it's right that AI cannot be always good, it also has a lot of negative points. So yeah, it was very amazing having our guest speaker for the day. Now I will guide you all about the BullBear AI. What actually the BullBear AI is and what we are developing using the AI technology. So let's begin, and I request you please load on the lights. Okay, perfect. So yeah, we can begin with the definition of AI. What actually the AI is, and how we can define AI in a layman language. So I believe that AI is something which is being created by human. And human keeps on leaving a lot of data which AI or machine is learning and developing itself so strong that it can do things itself and even go more advanced than human brain or human technology. So I define human AI like a small child in the family, like a child learns from his parents how to walk, how to run, how to speak. In a similar way, AI is learning from the humans. Like what all humans are leaving behind, AI is capturing and learning it. Whenever we go on ChatGPT, we type like we need a script or we need an essay on blah 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 topic. AI gives by researching all the cache available on the Google or whole internet history, and from there AI gives us the result. So that's how we can define AI. And why BullBear AI chose the name for BullBear AI. Because we work in the Web3 and finance industry where the crypto prices goes up and down every second. So we cannot give our opinion whether we are in bull or bear market. So we need something who should define that whether there's a bull or bear market ongoing. We can definitely get it from the chart analysis, but that is also kind of AI because we are using our brain to analyze what trends are going on and how the pattern of candles and chart were performing whenever the market was bearish or bullish. So yeah, that's why we kept the name BullBear AI so that we can predict the future market condition. Now, I will explain about the company. Our founder is also Indian, and we have about 11 employees, which are from Bangladesh, Indonesia, Vietnam, and a lot of different countries. So we are highly decentralized. And the AIBB is the coin for the BullBear AI. Now, I will share you a basic introduction or a video about BullBear AI. guide you through the ecosystem of BullBear AI. We basically have launched our AI game just a few days ago. So AI game is something in which you can place the bet upon the future market price of Bitcoin or Ethereum. For example, you can predict whether the price of Bitcoin will go up or down in the next 15 minutes. And depending on the prediction, you can earn some AIBD. And second, we have AI code. So AI code is something like you need to burn AIBD tokens in order to gain AI code. And you can stake the AI code to earn ARB. And current price of AI code is about $11 on coin. And then we will have AI chain. AI chain is basically a layer 2 solution on blockchain, which will foster the upcoming AI-based dApps on the blockchain. And we will absolutely have our AI NFT on our layer 2 blockchain, which will be on the BRC20 network, and it will be airdropped free of cost to all holders of AI tokens. And nextly, we will have AI metaverse, in which users can create their own avatars and move in our own BullBear AI metaverse. So let's begin with the AI game. So AI game is like I shared, you can predict on the price of BTC and Ethereum, and developing our own AI-based software. And how we are developing it, like we are buying the data from various exchanges and loading into our software, so that they can learn like how the price moves when we are in bearish or bullish market, and we can have some predictions. So our aim is not to rely upon AI 100%, but to improve our level of accuracy. Like we can combine the human brain and prediction given by our website, so that we can get more and more accurate result upon our prediction. So that's our main motive, to provide more prediction to the human brain and enable the users to earn more through our website. I can show you a live demo, like how the prediction can be made on our website. So, let me open my Chrome. Just a second. I can show you that later on. So now we will come up on the AI code. AI code is basically a second coin for the BullBear AI ecosystem. And like I shared, you need to burn AI tokens to gain AI code. And here on the chart, you can see like how AI code can be used in the whole ecosystem for the BullBear AI. It will only have 31 million supply, that's equivalent to Bitcoin. And you can stake your AI code to get some ARB. And in the first week, we are sharing a pool of 1 lakh ARB points. And AI code can also be used to play games and buy NFTs in our own metaverse. And like I shared, we have 1 lakh ARB coins for the first week. So AI code is like very bullish right now because it's running on a price of $11, and you can go ahead and burn your AIBD to get some AI code. One estimate I shared, like if you burn $100 worth of AIBD, you can get AI code equal to $700. So it's a 7-time return on AI code. Coming on, we can have about the AI chain. So AI chain will be a layer 2 blockchain solution. So why we are developing our own AI chain? Because in this world we are having more and more products upcoming upon the AI, and AI plays on the data, and we need a very, very high speed so that we can foster the calculation and we can manage how the dApps are working. So we are developing our own AI chain. On AI chain, we are estimating like we will solve one block in 0.05 seconds, which can lead to 5 million blocks a day. That's a very, very high transaction speed. We are expecting about 3 lakh transactions per minute. So that's very bullish AI chain. And one thing like the fees which we will collect from AI chain in AIBB, we will use 40% for burning and the 60% will go on the AI node. Now how AI node is running, I will share you because that's the main brain how the blockchain works. In the AI node, it will be fully automatic and work on POS mechanism, that is point of stake. Like more and more AI will be staked in the node and faster will be the transaction speed. So that's all about the AI chain. Next we have AI metaverse. So I will quickly show you like we have created a small metaverse with our partners that is setting live, and here's a video about how our metaverse will look in real. I hope you might enjoy it, like how our metaverse is gonna look like. That's just a trailer. We will have a huge metaverse in which we can see the shop for AI core, AI game, and a lot of wonderful things. Okay, now AI BB coin, like why should you buy and how you can use the AI BB coin? Firstly, like you can use it to play AI game. Then obviously it will get a token for AI chain. You can use to get AI core by burning your AIBB coins. And yes, the holders of AIBB will get an exclusive NFT airdrop on the BRC20 chain. And yeah, we have partnered with Polka Bridge, so you can stake your AIBB coins on Polka Bridge platform and earn some passive income. That's the basic about like use cases of AIBB, and you can definitely go on our website BullBearAI to get more insight about the AIBB token and how it can use and help you to make a wiser investment decision. Okay. Now I will talk about some about BullBearAI achievements. So why BullBearAI is progressing and why it has a lot of name in the Web3 industry? Because we have partnered with more than 40 projects in the Web3, and not normal projects, but we have a very huge range of projects such as Polka Bridge Venture. I will share in the next slide. And one thing, like we have received an investment of $1 million from Polka Bridge. So that's a very huge number, and so much trust is given by Polka Bridge Venture so that we can develop more and expand in the Web3 ecosystem. Also, we are listed on Tier 1 exchanges, which are like BitCat, Bitmart, MEXC, Gate, and we are also going to list on Gate.io on 15th August. The all-time high market cap of AIBB was $25 million. So that's a lot of, if we calculate in rupees, it can lead to like 17 crores or more, I think. We have an active community of 200K, more than 2 lakh people. We have a Zili campaign in which we monthly we are giving away a reward of about $10,000 for our Zili participant, and daily we are getting about 5,000 to 7,000 reviews for the Zili. And we have burned 97% of our total supply, and after the launch of AI Core, more and more supply is being burned. So yeah, that's very great because we have achieved a lot of things and we are continuing development in the Web3 ecosystem. Okay. Next, I will share about the partners, all our partners for the BullBearAI ecosystem and how we are expanding. we have full coverage, we have Bybit, we have BitCat, Space ID, Router, Taskon, Magic Gear, and a lot of prominent partners. Okay, so yeah, like I shared, we have received an investment of $1 million from the Full Coverage Ventures, and we held a campaign with Bybit in which Okay, so we are back. We had a small network issue and now we have resumed our session. Yeah, so that was all about the BullBear AI economics, and now we will move upon the BullBear AI roadmap. So like in the Q1, we have launched, we have burned about 97% of all AI baby tokens, and we have already launched our AI game, which is a huge success, and we are getting a massive response upon our AI game. We have listed on Tier 1 exchange, and now we are going to list on Gate.io on 15 15th of August. We have already launched our AI code. Like it's currently the price of AI code is about $10 to $11. And in the upcoming quarter, we will launch our own AI NFT, which will be on BRC20 chain. And yeah, definitely the AI chain is also coming over, and much more exciting things we can definitely have with BullBear AI. Yeah. So now the main question is like how you can buy the AIBB token. So you can go ahead on BitGet to buy AIBB. You can log in on Bitmart, NBXT, and Camelot Exchange to buy your AIBB coins. And we are soon going to list on Gate.io in the next week. So yeah, thank you. That's all about the BullBear AI. And now I will quickly show you how you can burn your AIBB coins and how you can play the AI game live right now. So allow me a few minutes. Okay, so now I will show how you can play the prediction game on our website. You can see on the screen our website bull-bear.ai. You can just go on our website and connect your MetaMask wallet. Like here, I have connected on my MetaMask on Arbitrum chain. So you can load some Ethereum and AIBB coins on your MetaMask wallet in order to play a game. So now you can click on products. If you want to play the prediction game, you can click here visit now. The game will load and you can predict the price of Bitcoin. So what do you want to say? I should enter up or down for the next 3 minutes for the Bitcoin? Up? Okay, I will go with up. Like here you can enter how much coins you want to predict. I will go with 1 billion. I will just change it to 1 billion. Yeah. So we will be soon launching our AI help, which will be releasing next month. So I will just choose no, and you will submit. Like here we have next prediction upcoming in 1 minute and 35 seconds. And so if I won, I will get 1.98x into payout. Predict it down, then I will get this much payout. So yeah, I am betting with 1 billion AIBB coins, and I will just submit it. You will get a pop-up in your MetaMask wallet, and the fee is very low, only about 10 rupees of fee you have to pay. I will just go and confirm. Yeah, I have placed my prediction very successfully, and now we have to wait for the next 55 seconds whether we won or we lose. So yeah, we can wait it. Any guess we will win or not? Win? Let's wait, we have 35 seconds left. Okay, we are getting closer. About 15 seconds. Here's the timer: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's predict. Here's the calculation going on. Yeah, so the price was down and I have lost it. So that's how you can play the prediction game, because the price got changed over the past 15 minutes, and I have lost. If I won, I would get about 1.69x the payment, and if I have bet it down, I would get about 2.5 times. Let me refresh. Yeah, so you can click on AI code. Like I shared, you can burn your AI code to get AIBB to get AI code. I will just click on burn and burn some AIBB. I have 7.8 billion, so I will burn 1 billion. Yeah. Approve. Reward. Next. Only 7 rupees fee I have to pay. Yeah, transaction is submitted. Yeah, so I have successfully burned my 1 billion AIBB coins to get 1.23 AI code. Now I will show you the live price of AI code and what's the price ongoing for the AI code. So you can check the price of AI code is $9.8. So I have burned my 1 billion AI BB coins for 1.2p AI code, which is approximately $11 to $13. So that's how you can burn your AI BB to get AI code, and scroll down to stake your AI code. Like here I will when I will get my AI code, I can go ahead and stake on the website to earn some ARB coins, and that's how our AI code will work upon. So yeah, that was all about the BullBear AI. Now I will come back to my PowerPoint. So yeah, that was all about the BullBear AI ecosystem and all our products which we have, AI game, AI chain, AI core, and all about the BullBear AI. So I hope you might enjoy the BullBear AI ecosystem, and now we can go ahead. If you have any question about the BullBear AI, you can definitely ask any question about AI core or AI chain. Yeah. And one thing more, like I shared about the community, we are definitely focused upon building a lot of community, and we have various people here from who are chartered accountant, businessmen, and students. There's, it's a very great mixture of capable brains and how we can explore the potential of AI in the world of finance. So I can also show you something more about our website, like I can share about our partners. Like I shared, we have Polka Bridge, we have Polka Bridge Ventures, Bybit, OKX Wallet, Router Protocol, we have Nabox, we have Magic Scare, and we have Bybit, Space ID. These all are very prominent partners in the Web3 industry, and yeah, so that's. I will also share you and show you the Twitter of BullBear AI. Like we have 155K followers on our Twitter channel, and you can definitely go ahead and follow our Twitter to get more useful insights about the BullBear AI. So yeah, I hope you all might enjoyed it, and yeah, thank you so much for being a wonderful audience and listening carefully all about the BullBear AI. And yeah, we can definitely go ahead with the next round. So yeah, thank you everyone.
What an amazing session we have just witnessed on BullBear AI. Our host skillfully navigated through the complexities of AI-driven financial analysis, making it understandable and relatable for all of us. Now, the moment we are waiting for is here. Let's now test how attentive you all were. You have a chance to win a goodies hamper with your just one correct answer. Now, I request Dhruv to start the quiz round.
Okay, so the most awaited moment is here for the quiz round. So yeah, we can begin, and how we will play the quiz, I will ask you a question, and the first one to raise hand and give the answer will win a goodie bag. So we have a lot of exciting goodies for everyone in this bag, and yeah, let's see who will win it. So we are upcoming with the very first question, and I request everyone to pay attention on the screen. So the first question is, on which chain is the AI baby token? Anyone? Anyone can raise hand and try a guess, It's a very simple. Yeah, so we have Mr. Sameer. I will come and, you can share your answer. No, that's not right answer. Anyone else? No, that's not right. Anyone else? Okay, I will give you some options now. It's BEP20 chain, that is BSC chain, or Ethereum chain, Arbitrum chain, or Tron network. Now anyone Anyone would like to answer the first very question? Pardon? No, that's not right. You're very close, but it's not right. It's arbitrary change. So I guess we can give a hamper to Lovely because he was very close to the question. Yeah. So please come on the stage. So lovely. So the answer was arbitrary chain. Okay, we can move to the next big question, and yeah, the second question is how much investment is done by Polka Bridge Ventures into BullBear AI? Yeah, we have a hand by Ashwin. Yeah, that's right. Come on. You can come on stage.
मैम थर्ड
Wonderful. I think only Ashwin was the one who was listening to the session very grateful. And yeah, now we can move on to the third question. So that was $1 billion invested by Polka Bridge Ventures into BullBear AI. So next question is now live. On which exchange will AI be listed on 15th August? Any answers? Any guess? Yeah, we have one hand there by Samir. Yeah, that's the right answer. Great, Ayo. I request you to please come on the stage. Okay, so we have our next question. On which chain will be AI NFT minted? It's a very simple question. Anyone? Any guess? It's a very simple question about AI NFT. So, okay, I will give you some options. We have BEP20, BRC20, ETH20 or TRX20. Any guess? TRP20. No, that's not right. Anyone raise hand? So we have an answer from Mukul. Yeah, that's the right answer. Okay, now we have the last question, and I guess everyone will definitely know it. So the question is, what was the all-time high market cap of AIBB? Anyone? So we have a hand from Gaurav. $250. No, that's not right. So we have a hand in the back.
25 billion.
Yeah, that's right. They will definitely come on the stage. So yeah, we have the most attentive audience from the whole session, and yeah, I highly anticipate your presence of everyone, and it was very great to have you all. Now I will hand over the mic to Gulin.
Thank you so much for joining us at the BullBear's event. We have journeyed through the highs and lows of the market, gaining invaluable perspectives from the industry experts and visionaries. Remember, the world of finance is as dynamic as it is unpredictable, but armed with right knowledge, we can navigate the current of change. Now I request Mr. Dhruv to come here and say a closing vote of thanks. Thank you.
Yeah. So firstly, I will thank each and everyone for giving time and coming to our session. It was not possible with such a great audience. Like we can share all about the BullBear AI, and definitely Akshat Maheshwari who came here for presenting all about the AI and the future of AI in finance and what all we can explore by diving more into the AI technology and how AI will, gain over and will it be a boon or bane for the human race? Because definitely you might have seen a lot of people are losing job because of AI, and AI is going more and more over. Like you have example of ChatGPT or Mid-Journey where you can just use some command to give instruction and it can create your any kind of photos which you want. So, but what I think is like you definitely need some kind of human intervention to get more and more accurate results from AI. Because even if you go on ChatGPT, you cannot 100% rely on it, and you definitely want some kind of human intervention to get more and more accurate and very great result whichever you want. So yeah, that was all, and I'm very thankful again to everyone for being here and patiently listening everyone, and that's all. So we will definitely meet you until next time in the next event, and yeah, we can definitely start with the lunch, and thank you everyone for being here. So that's all about the BullBear AI and AI Unleashed. We had the potential of AI in the blockchain, and you can visit a link of BullBear AI and join our Telegram channel, our Twitter handle, and join with the BullBear AI. Okay, signing off. Thank you so much.
तू खाना चूज करता है
नंबर लेके सेव करिए प्रोजेक्टर से भी लेके थोड़ा सा आगे आ जाओ सर, आप ही सर। स्कैनर भी क्लोज हो सकता है। ऊपर प्रोजेक्ट नहीं चल रहा स्क्रीन कितने भी लैपटॉप इन्होंने भेज दे मुंडे को पैर में मार देंगे या उत्थे खुल रहा जो कैमरे के उपर लगता है यही प्रॉब्लम है। कल ही गल हुई जो उपर लग जाता कैमरे के उपर डायरैक्टली इतने कहना सिग्नल वीक हो जाता पंगा हो जाता लैपटॉप का कितने भी रख के स्टेबल करता।
आ जाओ ऋषभ और ऊपर बुला लें नमन आ जाओ। इसका जो भी विनर है ना वो आ जाए पहले विनर था वही नहीं बात जरा पीछे
आजा आजा आया एक मिनट आया
यार प्रोफेशनल लाइव चल रही है ना
हो गया
जो विनर है वो आता है
आया
आज भाग लेके आओ
पैकेट देख
तेरा टेबल पे रख
आप यार अलम तू
और कौन सा विनर यार कोई बोल नहीं आता एंड पर हाथ में देखना ठीक है
क्या क्या है ना
पंचवा कौन है
इधर देखते हैं
हमने एक अन्ना आइयो
सामने सामने
माने एक एक बंदा आ जाओ फोटो खींच लेते
थोड़ा क्लोज ज्यादा
माने का संजय
एक मिनट पाँच मिनट ठीक है दोनों का सिवा में ज्यादा भी आरसीबी
एक बार व्यू ले लो यहाँ से फिर क्लोज कर वहाँ पे ज़ूम करके वहाँ पे
रिकॉर्ड कर दी लास्ट फिल्म मार के ਕਰਦੇ ਬੰਦੇ
first video photograph.